I had the collection of these miniatures, and I will be arrange these chairs here like this. I had the table also, and I arrange this table here like this. Look, oh look at this. It's a monkey. Monkey will be look beautiful here like this. Now look at this. It's a sketch. Sketch will be look beautiful here like this. Now look at this. It's also animal. Oh wow. Now look at this. Very beautiful. It will be look beautiful here like this. Look at this. It's all will be look beautiful here like this. And now look at this. It's a jaguar. Jaguar will be look beautiful here like this. Very beautiful. Now look at this. It's a doll. Doll will be look beautiful here like this. Now look at this. It's an angry bird. Look at this. It's a cat. I had arranged these toys here like this. Now I will be arrange these toys. Now look at this. I had arranged this spoon, fork, knife, rice spoon, and soup spoon. Also, here is the egg, a hot dog, leg piece, meat, and here's the animal. It's a decoration piece. Here is the jaguar. Oh wow, very beautiful.